Today I will talk about how can you select your gender on your app, on your fashion tracker app. We're able to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on personal data, click on it here. So then you come to this list. It's going to take you to this list here. Click here on gender. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on all here for or any gender you are, then you click in this sign here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.